Hello, everyone. I am Zheng Hua Chen from Shandong Tongqi. Today, I will explain a set of 1,000-liter craft beer saccharification equipment. The system includes a saccharification pot, filter tank, and boiling pot, a hot water tank, and 4 vessels. This set of equipment is made of 304 stainless steel. The whole interior is polished with a polishing accuracy below 0 point for the main machine accessories. And valve plates of the equipment are all domestic first-class brands, with 2 sets of IFM flow meters to achieve more accurate data for customers brewing water and wort into the tank. We also equipped the filter tank with an automatic system to make the process easier and make a pleasure.
And the shell and tube heat exchanger can.
For customers.
A better effect for suspended hops,
This equipment is also equipped with an advanced PLC control system,
which can input saccharification process.
which can automatically saccharify the wort.
That's all for today's introduction.
Interested friends are welcome to consult.